Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about granulated sugar. Now, why am I using the term granulated sugar? Because I want to define specifically white sugar, your granulated stuff you get in 5, 10, 20 pound, 50 pound bags. All right? Well, when we get it, we get the 5 or 10 pound bags and we put it into a container here. And so that way we're not dipping out of the bag to use it. Now, sugar does not go bad. And I think it's kind of ridiculous that you see it marked on some of the boxes, best used by date. Sugar lasts for centuries, all right? So long as you keep it dry and cool, you don't have to worry about it clumping together. And that's what sugar does, is it clumps together. And it can also pick up taste from the air. But other than that, sugar does not go bad. In fact, sugar is a preservative. What do you use in jams to preserve it? Sugar. So, and that's why candies last friggin' forever, is because of that high concentration of sugar it has in it. So, think about adding sugar to your supplies. And remember, you don't have to vacuum seal it. You don't have to do all the fancy stuff to it. You just got to keep it dry and away from other odors. All right? So before we take off, though, I'm going to put a link to a video up here you'll be interested in. I'll put a playlist down here, another video over here, and the link to my gardening and homesteading channel, Camp Pat and Family Compound, right up here. Take care.